Okay, grade 11s, let's just conclude this activity. Ons maak gou net hierdie aktiwiteit 3.7 klaar. Ja, jou bankversoeningsstaat moet ons gou nog klaar maak. Ek recap net vinnig. So ons het al die kringe in die bankstaat, het ons in die KOJ en KBJ ingeskryf. We wrote that in the CRJ and CPJ. Now we have to do the circles in the CRJ and the CPJ. We need to post that now to the bank reconciliation statement, as well as these that I haven't yet said anything about. I've ticked off that one, but I'm going to show you now why I've ticked off that one. En dan is ons klaar. Okay, so we start the bank reconciliation statement. Ons begin ons bankversoeningsstaat met a credit balance as per bank statement. Credit saldo volgens die bankstaat 11668 95 cent. So credit balance, credit saldo volgens bankstaat. Then the next step, we always do it in this volgorde, in this sequence. Nou, volgende is het outstanding, credit outstanding deposits, 787878. Credit outstanding, crediteer uitstaande depositus. Okay. Dan debiteer uitstaande EFO's, debit outstanding EFTs, so there 427, 428 and 429. Debiteer uitstaande EFO's, number 427, 428 and 429 was 450 Rand. 3,850 Rand and 4,440 Rand. Okay. And then that last two. Okay, so the first one, the correction for 205 Rand on the 30th of March is due to a mistake that was made by the bank during March 2019. So I just want to show, I ticked it off, but it was this one in the previous bank reconciliation statement. In die vorige bankversoeningsstaat, daai 205 Rand. Hulle gee maar net vir ons informasie dat hulle het daai fout reggemaak. So ek het hom daar afgetik en dan nou daar ook afgetik. Okay, the next one, the debit order of 220 Rand made on the 10th of April is a mistake by the bank. Okay, so mistake by the bank. The debit order should only be deducted from the account on the 28th of each month. The bank was informed and they will correct the error. So op die bankstaat, as mens nou op hom kyk, if we look on the bank statement, there the 220 Rand on the 10th, and then again, just want to, no I can't, okay, sorry, it's very blurry today, but anyway, okay, 220 Rand there as well on the 28th, okay, so they deducted it twice from our account. Hulle het 2 keer afgetrek van ons rekening af en hulle moes nie daai op die 10de nie, hulle moes net op die 28ste. So, ja, hulle het gedebit, so as hulle het moet regmaak, dan moet hulle het nou credit. Okay, so we write credit amount wrongly debited. Crediteer, bedrag verkeerdelik gedebiteer, of ek kan maar net sê crediteer, verkeerde bedrag. Credit amount incorrectly debited. Okay, en dit was 220 Rand. And then the last is the balance of the bank account. So it was a debit balance. as per bank account 11027773, and then we add it up. Sorry, the quality is very bad today. Okay, the credit side, I'm going to add that up first. And that gives me 19767.73 cents. Then the debit side, that also gives me 19767.73 cents. So yippee, it balances. Okay, activiteit 3.8 kan julle skip, and then you can do activity 3.9. Ja, there's still more activities as well, so julle kan regtig soveel as moontlik aktiwiteite doen wat julle graag wil. Ons tyd gaan wel nou net begin uithardloop, so ja, ek gaan dan nou oorgaan na krediteure versoening toe hierna, want dis nou nog die laaste enetjie wat ons moet doen. But because you can do bank reconciliation, creditors reconciliation will be very easy for you. It's kind of the same. So yes, we will do the creditors reconciliation before your test then, and as soon as I get some previous tests, I will send you some tests. If I haven't received anything by Wednesday, I'm going to send you something from the Northern Cape. But yeah, so you can just see how a test will be asked. Okay, graad 11, dit is dan dit van my af vir die dag. Lekker dag vir julle. Totsiens.